braving the dark forest.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, lived 3 best friends. Little rabbit Lily, little cat Mimi, and little dog Charlie. They played together every day, cared for each other, and were the best companions in the village. One day, they heard that a huge treasure was hidden in the mysterious dark forest, but no one had ever dared to look for it. Everyone said it was too scary and full of unknown dangers. Lily decided to make a bold suggestion. Why don't we go look for this treasure together? Maybe we can find it and become real heroes. Mimi worriedly said, "But there are so many scary things in the dark forest. Can we really do it?" Charlie patted Mimi's shoulder and said, "As long as we stick together and help each other, we can overcome any difficulty." So, they decided to set off together, overcome their fears, and face the unknown challenges bravely. They packed some food, water, and necessary tools. As they took their first step into the forest, they felt the dense shadows and eerie atmosphere, but they held each other's hands tightly, making sure no one was left behind. In the dark forest, the trees were tall and dense, making it almost impossible to see the sunlight. Strange sounds occasionally made them feel a bit scared. Lily encouraged everyone, saying, "We can do this. As long as we stick together, we can find the treasure." After walking for a while, they found a small path and decided to follow it, hoping it would lead them to the treasure. Along the way, they encountered a lost little deer. The deer was panicked and couldn't find its way home. Lily, Mimi, and Charlie decided to help the deer find its home. They asked the deer, "Where is your home? We can help you." The deer gratefully replied, "Thank you. My home is on the meadow over there." They escorted the deer back home together. The deer's family was very grateful and told them about a secret path that led to the treasure. Lily, Mimi, and Charlie continued along the secret path. Along the way, they encountered many obstacles and sometimes even had to climb steep rocks. Whenever they faced difficulties, they always helped each other and encouraged one another to keep going. Their friendship grew stronger during this journey. Finally, they arrived at the entrance of a mysterious cave where the treasure was said to be hidden deep inside. They took a deep breath and decided to bravely enter the cave. The cave was pitch dark, but they used their lights to illuminate the path ahead. Every step was filled with uncertainty, but they didn't back down. After walking for a long time, they finally discovered a huge treasure chest. Ancient symbols were carved on the chest, indicating it was a very old treasure. They opened the chest inside were sparkling gems and gold coins. Lily said, "This treasure is the result of our joint efforts. Let's share it together." After returning to the village, they became real heroes. The villagers held a celebration for them, praising their courage and friendship. They not only found the treasure, but also discovered true courage and precious friendship. This story teaches us that with courage, friendship, and unity, we can overcome any difficulty and achieve any goal.